Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito. Today, I want to show you something very simple but surprisingly special, Nori Bento. It's one of the most classic Japanese lunch boxes. First, sprinkle about 1% salt over the fresh salmon and let it rest in the fridge overnight. The next day, let it dry and grill or bake until the outside is nicely crisp. Next, boil the eggs for about 9 to 10 minutes. Peel them and cut in half. Cut the broccoli into smaller florets and give them a quick boil. Then drain and let them cook naturally. No cold water here. Give the cherry tomatoes a quick rinse and drain well. Now let's assemble. Fill your bento box halfway with rice. Add the katsuobushi lightly moistened with soy sauce. Here is a Dr. Bonito tip. Scatter ton nori on top. Typically, we put the seed of nori, but it's not easy to turn with the chopsticks. But when you tear nori into small pieces, it's much more easier to eat. Finish by adding all your side dish in a nice balance, and it's ready. Very simple, but actually, there's a beautiful balance of umami working together here, and that's what makes it so satisfying. Today, we'll build it in 3 gentle layers. Katsuobushi with soy sauce, light turn nori. Katsuobushi brings deep umami. Soy sauce adds even more depth. Together, they create a richer, more rounded flavor. Nori Bento is not fancy, but that's exactly why it's so loved. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And let's bring more simple, delicious Japanese ideas into your kitchen. Have a flavorful day.